finally we got the part. Here's the parts. Part number 248095. Let me unpack. And here's how it looks. Here's the kit. And here's the two new potentiometer. Now I need to take out the old one and then install new one. Oops. Now it's time to clean this surface, and this one, apply silicone and tight the actuator to the transmission. Potentiometer, how I can...
Potentiometer?
Potentiometer, okay, because sometimes it's like... It's already in. Now I would like to show you guys how to do F1 fluid flush and how is adjust the level properly. Okay, go to this side. Let me show to the reservoir. This is the reservoir. The car sitting from today morning. Yeah, we moved that car in the morning time. Now it's sitting like a 6 hour. And let's see the fluid level. I see this is wet all around. It's a little bit down the fluid. Oh, Yeah, you can see this. For me, it's too much. This is not right the level. But let's open the door. Let's open the door. Ilya, somebody came to you. Let's open the door and check the level after pump start reaching pressure. Just open the door. Yeah, this is too much. I see that it's too high level. Just like I print the procedure, checking F1 system oil. It's in Europe say oil, but we say fluid. Okay, unscrew the tank, turn the ignition key to the position and wait until F1 system pump starts. Soon after pump has turned it off, restore the oil level using the tools. And here is the level. Here is the level. Oh, just let me fix these things. Yeah, here is the level, guys. You can see here is the reservoir over there, and right here in the middle, right here in the middle is have a disc. And what procedure say? To correct oil level must be 5 ± 1 millimeter above the disc. Let's, yeah, this is special tools with a special hook. You just like you move. I don't have that one because I really don't need it. I can adjust the level just like easy. And let me show you where is that. You can see now. Yeah, nothing deep. Let's evacuate a little bit fluid, and you can see that this guy. Oops. Do not scratch. Now you can see that disc, right? Let me evacuate a little bit more. Yeah, now you can see that disc, guys. And this is actually the level. Let me turn off this bleeder. Yeah, here is the disc, and must be 5 millimeter plus above the disc. And when this pressure is like, let's open one more time the door. Yeah, now it's a little bit low, but of course when we start bleed, after we bleed, we added fluid, and I would like to show you how to bleed that. Just like carefully lift it up. Okay, here I already installed the potentiometer, and here, let me move. I think I can show from this way. Yeah, here is the bleeder valve. Yeah, here is the bleeder valve. We can bleed the clutch and bleed the system. Right here, right here. Yeah, this is bleeder screw. What we need to do, I'm sure you can use, guys, like simple tools like X431 or Autel for bleeding, Yeah, we use Leonardo, but I'm sure that two tools, two scanners can do the bleeding. It's just simple. You go into transmission and do this, like it's a bleed procedure. And here is the type of the fluid what I use, guys, and this is what Ferrari recommended. This is Shell Spirax ATF-X S5. It's possible to buy it, no problem. It's not that expensive, something around 40 bucks a quart, and you don't need more than the quart. I think it's enough for bleeding. Yeah, and then one more time, guys, make sure the fluid level is correct, because if you overfill, it start throw up from the reservoir. And then now let me finish the procedure for bleeding, and then I do the adaptation test. Okay, now I need to do adaptation. Okay, let's go first. Delete trouble code. Yes, of course, always to the charger and keep the voltage. Okay, gearbox. Yes. And then we go into read error. Yeah, we have a potentiometer. Delete. Okay. Okay, nothing, and go into adaptation. Yes, yes, and yeah, this is the bleeding, clutch bleeding, and this is actuator bleeding, and we need to self-learning test. Okay, and we would like to start, and you can hear how it start clicking and shifting gear. Second, third, fourth, and then we waiting. 56. We just relearn the new parameters from potentiometer and system. I have to remember that parameter. This is revert. Okay. Self-learning test complete. Then going back, no trouble code. Trouble code is gone, and our mission complete. What we need to do, the last few things, we need to install exhaust first, downpipe, then few muffler, no, not muffler, yeah, we need to install the downpipe first, then this elbow with the tips, and then muffler. Retorque everything and take that car to test drive. Hello. Today we start work on two cars. First, the first Gen R8, and that car is really cool because you can see inside.
It's a pleasure.
It's a manual.
Gated manual.
It's manual transmission. It's a brand new car, almost brand new, some 10,000 miles on this car. And of course we need to install what? Right, exhaust. This is first mode on this car. I think it's last more because why? This car, everybody remember, now it's actually that car changed the color.
This car is very different.
Why?
No, the color on the camera, they don't get that. It's different.
Maybe same than that Laguna Blue.
Yeah, could be.
Yeah, exhaust again we start to make our in-house exhaust, and we need this car for start do the race high flow race titanium and stainless steel pipe. We wanna pull out the rear bumper, all stuff for start make the conductor for exhaust. It's a brand new, it's not brand new, it's 2020.
2020?
This car just came, we install cut-off system, tracking device, expensive. The owner worry about somebody wanna steal this car or blah blah blah. We install a lot tracker system, tracking device, and with the cut-off fueling, if somebody wanna steal, you just disable and car is shut down. We get the new bench saw for exhaust. You can see this like it's huge. It's like a fetish for us. We always like professional tools, and here is the bench saw jet with the water cooling. It's really cool. I'm excited to start some cutting and check how is that. Yeah, but our goal for today, two cars, and actually you guys look around, no Audi S2 over there.
It's a blue replace a blue.
Yeah, it's like grandson and grandfather outside. Yeah, his car is running. You can drive this car around, and I hope soon we put that car on dyno and start make some noise. 765 scheme for service, annual service. It's time. It's 1 year old. Actually, right, 1 year old car.
It's 1 year old and 1 month.
Okay.
It's in February.
Okay, makes sense. But it's already service past due. Yeah, and we need to do service and a few more mods. But oh yeah, this is. Let me show you some cool stuff about the Evo. Come on. It's like I like this new screen. Lamborghini Evo.
It's got a new screen also in the middle too.
But this is I don't like. It's like, of course, this is
Not our choice.
I mean, I like the button. I don't like the touch screen because if you see the fat fingerprint, if this, but it's cool. Let's check how is the exhaust. Yeah, it's not bad quality. Fitment is it's much better than the first time we installed. Remember? Yeah. Yeah. Wanna go to test drive? The remote controllers work. Really simple to installation. And this is our week almost done. We have few more McLarens what we need to install the tracker, and done, and ready for vacation. No, today is Saturday, tomorrow my last day before vacation, but I still need to finish some Mercedes with the German plate. Yes, this is C63, and guys, yeah, we cut downpipe and we need to install another one. The customer decide just to cut it to avoid transmission, remove and replace, no, sorry, not remove, remove and installation transmission. He said, please just cut it, I don't need this downpipe, and save more money. Yeah, I'm almost on halfway. Now I need to install the aftermarket one and make sure everything is good. I'd like to make the sound clip when I finish, because that downpipe, it's a high flow downpipe.